go. Happy birthday. What? Go. Happy birthday, Sir Ian. What? Birthday, Sir Ian. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Sir Ian. Mabuhay ka ng gusto mo.
Stay baguette, sir!
Happy birthday, Sir I. We want you to know that we really appreciate your efforts, patience, and love for us as your students. And God bless you. We wish you a happy birthday from BSBA 3A.
Happy birthday, Sir Ian! Thank you, sir, for guiding us sa research. Very thankful. Gid ko, sir, nga advisor ka namon sa research. Bisan busy ka, gatchat kami kung gabi, gina-accommodate mo gid kami, sir. Bisan ka ni sir holiday, ga-accommodate ka gyapon sa mo needs. Thank you, gid, sir. Kag very thankful, gid ko, sir, kay madali ka, sir, palapitan. Hindi bala kami, sir, ma-intimidate. Thank you, gid, sir, sa pag-manage ang bilog na CM. Happy birthday, Liwat, sir. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Sir Ian!
Happy birthday, Sir Ian! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Sir Ian! You're the best dean ever! Hey!
Hi, Sir I. Happy birthday. God bless you, sir.
Hi sir! Happy birthday sir! Thank you so much for everything sir. God bless you and wish you all the best in life sir. Thank you so much sir.
To our supportive dean, happy birthday Sir Ian. Thank you for everything and God bless you always.
Bye sir! Love you sir! Mwah, 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 mwah.
Happy birthday, Sir Ian. Thank you so much for teaching us and guiding us in our research. Thank you po.
Hi, Sir Ian! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, sir! Enjoy your day!
God bless po!